English together.
Introducing yourself.
Hi, is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. I am a little nervous.
Don't worry, the class is very friendly. My name is David.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Where are you from?
I'm from Italy. I moved here last month.
Oh, welcome. I'm from Korea.
That's nice. How long have you lived here?
I have lived here for 5 years.
That's a long time.
Yes. So, how old are you, Sarah?
I'm 25 years old. And you?
I'm 27.
Do you come to this English class every week?
Yes, I come every Tuesday evening. It helps me improve my English.
That's good. I want to make new friends and practice speaking.
That's a great idea. What do you do?
I'm a nurse. I work at a hospital. What about you?
I'm a graphic designer. I work from home.
That sounds interesting.
It is. Maybe we can study together one day.
Sure, that would be helpful.
Oh, I think the class is starting.
Yes, I'm happy to meet you today.
Me too, Sarah.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.